adrenaline, and action fight. After Mia and helped Dominic Toretto, Brian Norwich the maximum security prison that have been designated the penalty. After crossing, many boats come to the city of Rio de Janeiro and are playing their last war which the villain is the brother, the feel a little free and have lots of money to buy the decent freedom. Give at face on begin to really is have among the best Roman willing to practice racing on the close security on desert hangar. Crosslink the Great Reef Station Janeiro. Chase to the street that night to get off cars in the underground racing. I'm unable to get fast car down to steal the police car.
Yeah.
Manuel the agent, a brown white stake to the car Dominic, Brian, of follow away they careful. Until in a moment you want to the car wet under throw to carry off the freight job and the agent Dominic through the freight the agent he has stopped and in the way of the entrepreneur cooks ambush it and tries to get everyone escape their Dominic agent and returning have helped Dominic agent and his team to finish the job. In the end, everything goes on planning event. Dominic stays next to the agent's assistant, Bajan and Min Heartstreet, together and have you chills after that his the beauty and your fantasies on our satisfied with the longer and risky work.
Tres.
Think movies is good because it takes a lot of adrenaline and action are spectacular actors with scenes that have long suspense and however show how really is in some countries with death of a king and like underworld racing.